Murda say murder she wrote. For a long time she don't ride the boat. She don't care what you're talking about. She's my number one baby. She take time, she knows say she hot.
The line where he says she's my number one baby, you listen to the layering now. Perruzi doesn't like when it comes to like actually like stacking up their vocals. Perruzi is probably one of the best, man, that does that shit. Wella.
She knows say she hot. For her church mind they can't touch this spot. Holy way don't drive me nuts. She's my number one baby. Belly fat, he be like that. Tell everybody, say he be like that. If you want, he want, he call all the show me that. You're my number one baby. Number one, no number two, baby. Anything you want, I give to you, baby. See me, I'm into you, baby. Into you, baby. Number two, now you I choose, baby. To leave you, I know fit do, baby. Oh, I like your cruise, baby.
I like the play of numbers he was playing there. That 1 and 2 those lines were kind of cheeky. I like it.
He said she go follow, come to my yard. I said we go there, alright. I said we go chill all night. Murda, say murder, she wrote. For a long time she don't ride the boat. She don't care what you're talking about. She's my number one baby. She belly fat, he be like that. Tell everybody, say he be like that. If you want, he call all the shit me that. You're my number one baby. But if you want, he call all the shit me that. You're my number one baby. And when she touch down, she love the way I got in her back. I say she love the way I give her from back. Oh, yeah, call that lepa toba. She said she go follow, come to my yard. I said we.
Hello, it's sampling one day there. Sampling, did you guys hear that one day sample? That's bad though.
I call that lepa toba. She said she go follow, come to my yard. I said we go there, alright. I said we go chill all night. See your rubber toba. She said she go follow, come to my yard. I said we go there, alright. I said we go chill all night. Murda, belly fat, he be like that. Tell everybody, say he be like that. He want, he call all the shit me that. You're my number one baby. Shit me that. You're my number one baby.
Hey, Peru, don't kill Festu. Come on, that was a slapper, man. I love the dancehall vibe to it, very subtle, very soothing. The chorus again, I'm here for Peru's choruses, man. These choruses have been like hitting. They've been hitting, man. Very catchy, very in the moment. You're flowing with it. It's very simple. Like, bro, it's just layered properly for you to just dive into a song. And I love that. I guess homage it was paying with the line from Wanda Cole's "You Bad" or about Tobado. I love that. That was so nice and cheeky for him. I know he has Wanda Cole on the album, but on the boogie parts, come to think of it, man, this album is very, very star-studded. Very, very star-studded. We have Davido already that we've heard. There's Tiwa on this. There's Don Jazzy. There's Fino. There's Wanda Cole. There's Patoran King, there's Fireboy, come on, and we're getting some new faces like Boy Lexi and Setup. This is like a very it's a very dense album, man. It's stacked with a lot of things, especially a lot of features. And there's been this trend for a while now with albums having almost no features, which has like, it's not everybody that can do it, man. It's not easy to do. I've said it time and time again. It's a ballsy move to make an album without features, especially knowing what you're capable of, man. But Perruzi decided not to and collaborate with a lot of people, making up for the fact that okay, this is a lengthy album, so might as well throw in other voices, throw in other places here, so the experience doesn't become so mind numbing to the point that it's only him that we're hearing for the entirety of the album. So I like that he's making up for the fact that it's long, you know. Sorry guys, I got distracted there when I started talking about the features. But just to add to this song about Murda, you can tell just from the words in the song that this was intentionally written about a particular person in his life, maybe an experience like say like a high school crush or something. In this song, you can see him describe her as a holy person, where like she tries to like save it for the special one, and and he's basically saying like that drives him nuts, but he's still patient enough to wait for her. And also in this song, you can tell that she's also of a plus size, of a plus size shape, and he's trying to praise her as well, and he's also trying to make her feel comfortable in her body, appreciating her for what she looks like in her body right now, and not to like shame her into basically making her embrace herself more, and just hailing her for herself. And hence why you can see the Orobato reference that he did. That was so apt and kind of brilliant for him to throw that in there. It was a very, very, very dope song, very romantic record. Obviously, it ties into the spirit of the rum side of the album, so it definitely made sense. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Definitely check out the full album review if you haven't. Let me know which other song from the album you'd love to see a reaction for. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your boy, Mano. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.